Hello guys, I just wake up just right now. I had a training with one of my student, which was a coaching. I just finished with him. It's 2 hours every single day I give to my student. Let me tell you what gives me this freedom to wake up at, what time is it now? At 1 p.m. Eastern time in my country. I've made over $100,000 in affiliate marketing, mainly with this business model that a lot of you know that I'm talking every day on my channel with this pay-per-call. It's allowed me to make money just by having several ads running on my account, on my Google account, and they just keeps generating me money, a lot of money, and this money I have them to have my freedom. So I'm living in the Caribbean, but I can wake up anytime I want. I'm not like you watching me. You have to go to work because you have a boss that you have to report to, and this boss, you are not free. You are not free because you're working just 9 to 5 and you get paid 100 or 200 per day, but you work very hard to get this. But just imagine, I just take an offer from the website and I put it on Google Ads, and I make sure I make a keyword research, and I'm sure that the product is a good product. And when I run the ads, I'm the only one for the first place on Google Ads, and I make money. This is how I do it. So I coach people to do this. Every single day I coach people. I just have to go 1 or 2 hours per week to check on my ads. If there are some ads that are not profitable, I have to just kill them and create other ads. So someone asked me, Mr. Vanel, can you be millionaire without working for someone? Yes, it's gonna take time. You have to learn. But me, I learned the hard way. I have to find out how to do things by myself. And now I'm coaching people. I'm giving people coaching. I'm showing people how to make money. I have people of all ages taking coaching from me. I have people in Canada, Nigeria, United States. They just paid me and I coach them. And I make sure they have the first ad goes live and they start seeing result before I just say, okay, you are okay to start running ads by yourself and you are ready to make money by yourself. So guys, I just make this video not to brag, but to show you it is possible to live the life of freedom. If you want freedom, there is only one way you can do that, by creating a business. Online business is the best one because you don't have to report to a boss. You have to know how to do things properly, how to run ads. Just imagine an example. I just finished to work with one of my students about flight booking for all airlines. When you go to some network, you see they have offer for flight booking for all airlines. What does that mean? That means anyone can call for flight ticket, cheap flight deals, and all these things. So they pay $15 per 60 seconds. You just set up the ads on Google, you set up some negative keywords, and you make sure you follow the guideline of the offer. You see what the company doesn't want, and boom, you have your ads live. And after a few minutes, Google gonna tell you if you have some conversion, and you just go to dashboard of maybe Market Call, eLocal, Offer Globe, any of these companies about pay-per-call, and you start seeing money. It's real money, easy to make. So if you want me to coach you, comment down below and I can be your coach. I will put a link about my coaching. My coaching price, I always say that on the screen. It's very expensive. But after the coaching, you will say me thank you because you will be on your feet to do ads by yourself, to find the best offer that convert and start seeing money coming every single day. It was your friend as always. If you want me to coach you, click on the link on the description. My training price increase. Now it is $500 for the training. But for the coaching one-on-one, me and you, it is triple. It's more than that. It's double the price. So if you want me to coach you, comment down below or contact me at princeherly.sylvester and you will find me on Skype. So that's my Skype. I'm going to put the link. It's going to be displayed here you can contact me and I can help you. Making $7,000 every single week, that's a dream that a lot of people are thinking about. So I don't have a title, I don't have a degree for this, but I know Google Ads very well. This is why I'm making over $7,000 every single week just by running ads. And I don't count this money towards my money that I make from my coaching. For my coaching, I make more than $15,000 per month. I don't count this because I have more than 15 students and all of them pay me way more than over $1,000 for the coaching. So you get an idea. So I can live the life I want. I can visit the country I want. And I don't really want to go to United States to feel that I am in the better place. I don't have to go to Canada or to any better place that people think in their mind if they are in United States, they're going to make money. I can live anywhere I want because my money come on my bank account, sometime on my Pioneer card. I can take my money wherever I want. I can go to an ATM, take the money, and the money will be available instantly. So just imagine if I were in states, like in United States or Canada, I will have to pay a lot of taxes on my money. So just imagine, for my country, we just pay only 10% of tax. And it is online money, so I just have my card, like my Pioneer card, go to any ATM, grab money to do what I want. Just imagine there are some countries, to visit them, you just need a salary or income at least $2,000 per month. This country, when you have $100, it's like you are a king because they are pretty, they are beautiful country, but the problem is they don't have US dollar. If you can make money online, you don't have to go to United States. You can go to live anywhere you want, where there is connection, internet connection, and where you can have a laptop and you have electricity to do anything you want. So guys, if you want my coaching, I just record this video for you. You can see I'm on my bed. I just wake up and I say, let's talk to these people, because I wake up at 11 and I had a training, a coaching at 11 something. I just finished and I'm on my bed right now, just not to brag, but to let you know, you can be like me. The only thing you don't do is you don't do what I'm doing. So I can coach you to do this, to make money and live the life you want. I know you have a job that you hate. You hate your job. You don't like it. Do online business. This is the only way to get the freedom that you want, to escape the 9-to-5 job. This is the only way. You have an online business that's generating you money and you can go on vacation anytime you want. I hope this video will bring you value. Thank you so much. If you need me, you see these things display, it's my Skype. Just type it and I'm going to be your coach. I will help you make money quickly. Thank you. Bye-bye.